So set up your campaign name, bidding strategy, is maximum CPV, which is the cost per view. How much are you prepared to pay for a view, or the target CPM. So set up your campaign name. Then you have your bidding strategy. Maximum cost per view, which you are prepared to pay, and a target CPM. A maximum cost per view is when somebody continues to view your video ad for a minimum of 30 seconds or until the end of the video, whichever is the sooner. So if your video is 15 seconds long and they viewed complete to the end, then obviously you will get charged. If your video is 2 minutes long and somebody viewed for 25 seconds and then press the skip ad button, you will get free advertising for that duration. So it's a great way to get a lot of branding for free. Even if somebody skips your video after 5 seconds, you will not get charged, but you've been in front of somebody for 5 seconds and for free as well. Now, the cost per view depends on where you are advertising. In the US, UK, Europe, the view is expensive compared to Far East, Asia, Africa. But in my experience, a 5p per view is a good starting bid to get your campaigns started. And then you see how it's working. But very easily you will find that you are getting views for 5p. Now, even if you don't have a big budget, you can get a lot of impressions. An impression is every time your ad pops up. A view is they continue to view your video ad for a minimum of 30 seconds. So even if you had $2 or $5 a day, you are going to get thousands and thousands of impressions per day. That means you are out there. Your videos are doing your hustle for you. And that is why video is so great. It's unbelievable. It's low cost. You don't need to have big budgets, and you can get started very quickly and easily. Imagine you try to put up a video ad or an ad on TV. You will need tens and tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of pounds. But with video ad, you can get started with a simple video through your smartphone, shoot one up, and get started with a couple of dollars or pounds a day, or whatever your currency is.